Hi friends, how are you? In this video, I will show you how to make 3D pop-out effect like this in Photoshop. Firstly, you need these two images for this effect. Okay, when you add these two images, select mobile image, go to properties and remove his background. After remove background, hide this image, select you mean picture and go to toolbar, select pen tool and make a selection in middle of picture like this. When selection complete, right-click and select Make Selection, click on OK. Press Ctrl+J to make a duplicate of this selection. Select mobile image, show their visibility, and send into middle first two layers. Now you done adjust the mobile image. Click on OK. After some editing, here is the final result. Hope you liked it. Subscribe please.